Alright, in today's trading video for the MiniAnalyst.com, I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst. We're looking at the intraday dynamics of the market. This is I don't know if you guys heard that or not, just had a lot of buys go off. Okay, so get a nice bounce back today in the E-mini Russell. We've had some pretty severe selling since we did our last video, I think was Wednesday. We'll look at the daily cash market. Actually, we can look right here, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Right around here, we were expecting this to be the sell opportunity. It was a bull trap. And we were mentioning that in the S&P cash, we had already reached our climax of 1480 to 1490, the horizontal support resistance band, along with the tremendous amount of trend following support resistance. Again, we'll look at that in a second. But if you can see here, obviously we had a lot of green, green, green here in our proprietary indicators, and that was suggesting this higher move, which we definitely got on Wednesday. Sorry, Tuesday. This was Wednesday. And then we got our negative divergences. Negative divergence, this is going to bearish. This is showing some bearish indications. This is some bearish indications. And you see it really just never got any better. Red, 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 sell, 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 sell. Even over here, we got a little bit of a positive divergence here, but again, still very red here, very red here, very red here, suggesting the red pin to sell. A little choppy that day. Obviously, this positive divergence here put a floor under the market in terms of looking at these dynamics. And today we get more red, more red, more red, more red. But as you can see, we are getting some divergences, a very strong divergence here. We had a new low here in price and a higher low here, and not much of a divergence there, not much of a divergence there, not much of a divergence there, but nevertheless, one indication suggests a floor generally out of these, obviously. So we are getting a bit of a bounce back here in the E-mini Russell. If we can switch over to, we seem to be running out of time, to the daily market, the S&P cash, we see what's going on actually, and what it is this 1440 level. The S&Ps love 1440s and 1480s, sorry, 40s and 80s of any century mark, and that's what we're doing. We had this swing point low that we bounced enormously off of into our key sell zone. Again, we were saying we had reached this 1492 level. We were still officially bearish, bearish, bearish. So definitely wanted to be selling this area for some setups. And obviously we've gotten another, at least if we were at 1480, got another 40 S&P points on a discretionary basis. Hope you guys are participating in these moves in this free video. But there's another 40 points and 50 at its zenith. With today's dangling tip, I'm not sure we're really going to break this here. Obviously, we've got some bearish indications, and we're still officially bearish. But from a price technical perspective, if you look at the market, it's definitely trying to hold 1440. If we get below today's low of 1430, obviously we're going to go on to our next target of 14, which was 1420, followed by 1380 to 1400. So as long as we continue to hold here, we may get a bounce back. We may chop in a range from 1480 to 1440 in this holiday shortened week. Not sure if we're really going to break down there, but having said that, don't quote me because we are officially bearish. Fully bearish here, fully bearish here, fully bearish here, fully bearish here. So you definitely want to be maybe taking a third of your profits if you're a short-term trader and you booked these gains right here. Actually, if you're a short-term trader and you wanted to, and you got in the short side here, you definitely want to be taking off half, maybe even 3/4 of your profits here at this support, especially once we've gotten this bounce back. So, did want to tell you guys a couple of things. Most of our portfolios today, ironically, I guess with this nice move, are up about 10 to 15%. And did want to show you, I guess before we switch over, a couple of our systems. This is our new Swing System 5.0, and we'll look at this in a second, but these are some of the trades. Again, this is non-optimized, non-curve fitting, very few parameters so as to ensure continued market performance. And as you can see, banging out some great trades. There's a nice buy right here, and of course it's short right here in the Dow. This, of course, will trade any market just about, but we like it in the Dow. And so a nice big gain there of 350, 300 points in the Dow in a couple of days, and of course a nice move there. So this is our new Swing System 5.0. This will be added to many of our elite portfolios, including our Delta lines and our MAP lines. MAP Black, certainly in Delta Black, and probably Delta 70 and a few other things, but this is our new Swing System. Let's just see where we are. It's our E-mini S&P Day Trader 1.0. Seen some nice winners there. Our grinder banging out winners as usual, continues to bang out winners. Just covered, had a very nice winner today, but just went ahead and covered this on a trailing basis given the snapback move. So there's our Day Trader 5.0 in the YM contract, and nice gains there. But we need to hurry this up, so let me go ahead and switch over to another screen. So we had mentioned that, and we can pull up the, looks like the special we're going to have today is on our Delta B portfolio. This is a $28,000 portfolio, and today it's up $3,330. Actually, this was up at 1:35 Eastern Standard Time, and Delta B gains 12% on Monday. November 19th. And just a quick look back over the last weeks of trade. Today, 33.30, dropped 1,600 on Friday, 29.22, 637 on last Wednesday, up 2,000 Tuesday, $2,600 on Monday. So a nice 35% gain in a week, and that's arguably very impressive, even in the realm of risk speculative derivatives trading of futures contracts. So we are going to have a special on this today. I believe you can do this portfolio for $1,500 for 3 months. Let's just go ahead and jump over there really quickly, and we'll go to the Delta portfolios. Actually, there it is, $1,500 for 3 months right there. So if you go ahead and just don't even have to go there. There it is right there. Just go to new where'd you go? Okay, so it went there, but it should be there. Yeah, I guess it just disappeared. That's strange. So go to Delta, and but we did see that it was $1,500, and you can go to the Delta B right there, $1,500 for 3 months for this portfolio. Obviously, you get 3 months of trading for that. Click Add to Cart, and in turn, you're making, let's see, $9,840 in a week, or at least this is from a historical perspective. Of course, past performance is no indication of future success. Had to throw that in there. This is the performance data summary of our new Swing System 5.0. Again, you can see a $42,000 profit against a $5,300 maximum drawdown. And of course, if we look at this, really is a bit misleading, the account size required maximum drawdown, because that actually occurred right from January 06 to May 06. So if you took that out, obviously, even if you looked over the last year, if you looked over the last year and a half, obviously the maximum drawdown is probably going to be about $2,000. So we're going to pull in our average drawdown numbers at the first of next month, given this is a new system, but as you can see, a remarkable system. And if you're interested in just subscribing to that, you certainly can. But again, it's going to be added to many of our diversified portfolios. So this is Kenny signing off, and I hope you guys are having a great trading day.